Okay, guys, welcome. I welcome you to the daily online seminar. My name is Charles Marcel. I'm the host of the daily online seminar where we meet every day. That is by 9 p.m. GMT plus one. We meet every day from Monday through Sunday. Every blessed day, we are here to share valuable information that will transform your life and the growth of your business, skyrocket it to that level you've always wanted to. Maybe better still, you can actually get new knowledge, new skill that you can adopt so that you can actually thrive in these times that we are in. So today is Thursday, and it's our financial instrument trading day where we talk about financial trading. We talk about stock trading, crypto trading. We talk about Forex trading, indices, and commodities trading. We talk about all of 5 different uh, financial trading instruments. We talk about them. And that's why today we'll be talking about a very, very important topic. Today we're talking about a very, like you've already seen on my screen, it's a very important topic that many people have been asking me over the years, and I need to clear that. And you too, you need to get some secrets about this whole time to trade. So many people, thousands of people over the years, for the past more than 10 years, people have asked me, come Charles, what is the best time to trade Forex in Nigeria or in whatever country they are in? What is the best time to trade Forex in the day? They're asking, is it better in the morning, in the afternoon, in the evening, in the night? What is the best time? There are so many factors that will actually help me to actually give you a right answer. And that is why today we'll be looking at this same topic. Let me show you. Like I already showed you, what is the best time to trade Forex in Nigeria? What is the best time to trade Forex in Nigeria? And that is what we'll be discussing about the best time to trade Forex in Nigeria. And I will take you straight to my screen that will help us get a better idea about the trading and how to determine the best trading time or period in Nigeria. So going straight to my presentation today, let's look at what I have here. Good. There are different factors actually we need to consider if we really want to talk about the best time to trade in a day in whatever country you are. There's different factors we need to consider. And number one factor we need to consider is actually your schedules. What are your schedules like? Schedules of your business, schedules of your work, your activities. How are your schedules like? You should be able to know the best time you will be at the best frame of mind. One thing with Forex trading is that for you to trade Forex successfully, at any point in time you want to trade, you should be at your best frame of mind, not when you are scattered, not when you are disturbed, not when you are restless, not when you choked with time or activities. No, you should be able to trade at a very good time. So you need to look at your schedules. You need to look at your work schedules, your business schedule, your whatever activities that you're involved in within the day. You need to check at them, look at them, and know which of what time is suitable for you, because you need to know the time you know you'll be at your best of energy, best of strength, and when everything in you is busting, pumping, you know you are so active at that time, you are the right frame of mind, then at that time, you know, you can trade without any challenge. So once you've looked at your schedules, because there are actually different times you can trade and you trade successfully. You can trade in the morning, you can trade in the afternoon, you can trade in the evening, you can trade in the night. The market operates 24/5. The Forex, that is the currency market, commodity market, stock market, they actually work 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It is only the indices and the crypto market that actually work 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It's only just two financial instruments that trade 7 days a week. While Forex, which is currency, stock, and commodities are actually 24 hours a day and 5 days a week. So what am I trying to say? You have 24 hours a day throughout the week to actually trade. You have the whole, so it's all about you to decide on what time you want to trade. You need to decide on what time you need to. So when you decide on your schedules, then you know that you have decided on the best time that you are the best frame of mind, you're relaxed, you're comfortable, you're ready to analyze, to take care of the market. Then good, then you're good to go. Then you're good to go. So that is that. So your schedule is number one thing you need to consider. Then we need to consider something else again after your schedule. Your trading personality. When we talk about your trading personality, at this point, you've already learned how to trade. You're already a trader. You already learned how to trade. Then you need to consider some basic things. There are basic things you need to actually consider for you to know. Once you start trading, your personality type will actually come out consciously or unconsciously. You will have to choose a personality type that you need to be identified with. There are different trading patterns that you can go with, which has to do with you could be a day trader, you could be a swing trader, you could be a position trader. Now, let me explain these three trading personality. A day trader is somebody that trade every day. You trade every day, actually. You go in for 20 pips, 30 pips, 50 pips. Every day, you go in for 10, 20, 30 pips. You trade maybe multiple times in a day. In a day, you can do 2, 3, 4, 5 trades in a day. So this is a day trader. Every day you go in, you place the trade and you end the trade within the day, within 24 hours. You place the trade, you end that trade. You hit your stop loss or you take profits. Every day you're trading. Every day you are trading. Every blessed day. All through Monday to Friday for currency, you're trading. Monday to Sunday on crypto and indices, you're trading. Every day you place an order and that trade terminates that same day for a profit or for a loss, whatever it is. So such person, will call such person a day trader. Then the second personality type that kind of trading again is a swing trader. A swing trader is for someone that opens a trade. Maybe it could take like 2-3 days for that trade to close. Maybe within the week, it could take between 1 week, between a day to 7 days as a week for that trade to start and end. So you are not hurriedly closing that trade. You are leaving it for some 72 hours, 48 hours, like 2, 3, 4, 5 days. You allow the trade. So at this time, you're not going for 10 pips, 20 pips, 30 pips like a day trader. At this time around, maybe you're going for like 100 pips like that, for 70 pips, 100 pips, more than 100 pips like that. That range, you're going for something higher. You've done your analysis for the week, and you look at this. Okay, this week, Euro USD, from your price action, from your technical analysis and fundamental analysis, you've actually checked, and you have seen that the market will go to this direction, will go to that direction, and you're ready to watch it for that week and monitor it and look at it. Then good. So your trade is between a week, within a day, within a week like that. So such persons are being referred to as position trader. Now we have the third kind of trader, which is the swing trader are the one that live it within a week. Why the third types of trader is the position trader. The position trader are big time traders, are like the banks, financial institution, and big corporation, big time traders that have big capital to trade. These people trade position trading. A position trade can last for 2 weeks, 3 weeks, 1 month, 2 months. You leave the trade to run for a long time. The trade runs for a long time. So you are targeting a bigger peep to hit, 300 pips, 500 pips, like that. You leave it for a very long time. So these are position traders, and these are big organizations or big individuals that have big amounts in their trading account. So these are the three kind of traders that we have. So you need to look at what kind of trader are you. If you're a day trader, to know the best time to trade, you know, and you look at your schedules, and you're a day trader. If you're the busy type in the night, then you could trade in the night. Or if you're type that your job or your business is type that you have to work in the night, you run shifts, then you can look, okay, if you're on a night shift, you could work in the morning. You could trade in the morning, trade in the afternoon. So if you run shifts, so you work in the morning, you trade in the night. You work in the night, you trade in the morning. So something like that. So as a day trader, because your trade starts that day and ends that day, you're not going for large pips. 10, 20, 30, 40 pips like that, you go for in a day and you feel you're cool. One trade, maybe tops, two trade, you're okay. So when you look at your schedules and you look at your personal, your the kind of trading style, then that will help you to balance how to do it. Then if you're a swing trader that your trade run through the week, then fine. Due to the nature of your work, except you're the type that work maybe offshore, where you have to leave your trade open, you can't access the internet or what. I think such people will do better on position trading. Position trading will do good, where you have to be off internet or what have you for a week, 2, 3 weeks. Cool. Position trading will be a good trading style for such individuals. So you need to do a very long time frame and do proper analysis for you to be able to leave your trade to run for weeks so that you won't run into big losses. So you should be able to know what you're doing actually. So so when you know your types of trading style and also your schedules, then this will help you to know the best time to trade. We're going to continue like that. Don't forget, this is a daily online seminar where we'll meet every day, 9 p.m. That is GMT plus one. We'll meet from Monday through Sunday every day. We'll meet and we share valuable information. Please click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that whenever I'm live like this, you get notified. That is if you're on YouTube. Don't forget to also like our video. Don't forget to like our video. So we'll go straight to the point, to the next point. Trading session. Basically, we have three trading sessions we have in the Forex market. 3 trading sessions. And these trading sessions are being moved by different parts of the world. Different currency are being moved. So when you understand the trading sessions, then you'll be able to know what currency to trade at a particular time. There are people that are very good with the major currencies or the cross currencies, what we call the major currency, and what we call the cross currencies. So when you understand each of these currency, you know the best time to trade them. And once you know the best time to trade them, then you'll be able to decide and work around your schedules and be able to fix to know the best time to actually trade by yourself. So let's look at the trading sessions that we have. 3 good different trading sessions and the time. We have the Asian session. You could also call it the Tokyo session. Asian or Tokyo session. This is between like a Nigerian time, between 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. From 10 p.m. to 7 a.m. in the morning. Now we'll talk about the Asian time and the Tokyo session. We're referring to the trade of JPY, Japanese yen. At this time, the Japanese yen, because in Nigeria to Asian countries, to Tokyo, 10 p.m. Nigerian time is like 4-5 a.m. It's like 4-5 a.m. in China and some other Asian country. It's 4-5 a.m. While in Nigeria is 10 p.m. So if you want to trade the Japanese yen when they are awake and trading activities is going on, so the Japanese yen could be affected positively or negatively at that time, bet more. So if you want to trade that currency, you want to look, and when you look at Forex Factor, some major news about the Japanese yen comes out within this time of 10 to 7 a.m. So look at this, the trading hour for the Asian or the Tokyo session. The next session, like I told you, we have 3 sessions. So session number 1 is in London, is the Asian session. Now session number 2 is a London session. The London session, or call it the European session, is between 6 a.m. Nigerian time to 3 p.m. Nigerian time. 6 a.m. to 3 p.m. This is the time when the Euro GBP currency, this is when there are major news and activities that affects it. The Euro and the GBP and the Swiss francs. This is when what the news and activities that happens within the day actually affect it. So in these times are Nigerian time. Then the 3rd session, which is the New York or the US session, the New York session, is between 11 a.m. and to 7 p.m. Nigerian time. Between 11 a.m. to 7 p.m. Nigerian time. So all this time, like I said earlier, are Nigerian time. So because by 11 a.m. In New York, it is 8 a.m. No, 11, like 5 a.m. Sorry, 6 a.m. Like 6 a.m. While in Nigeria is 11 a.m. Why in New York is like 5-6 hours difference. So like 5-6 a.m. over there. So they have opened by like around 7 p.m. and when they open the market, the New York stock exchange and all of that gets opened at that time. So when you know this time, now look at this time. There's something I want you to take note of. If you look at, you see that the London session and the New York session, there's a clash. Before the London session closes by 3 p.m., the New York session has already opened 4 hours earlier by 11 a.m. So between 11 a.m. and 3 p.m., London session and New York session are all opened. They are opened. London session and New York session are opened all together at the same time between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. At this time, there's high volatility in the market. There's rapid movement in the market. So when you trade at this time, you should, whatever news or indicators, analysis you're using, fundamental, technical, you're using, you need to watch closely at this period of time in Nigerian time. Between 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. You're able to look at that time. A lot of trading activities happens between that time because these 2 sessions are running concurrently at the same time. So you should be able to watch your trade, monitor your trade at that time because major news comes out within that period. Major news in the Forex market comes out within that time. And the New York and the US session, when you trade out USD mainly, the USD is the base currency in the Forex market. And when you look at all of this, you realize that there's most currency are paired with the USD, and a lot of trading activities go on. You have USD JPY, USD GBP USD, Euro USD, you name them, USD CAD, all of that. All of these currencies are paired. So many currencies are paired with the US dollar. And that is why there's a lot of trading activity that happen between 11 a.m. to 3 p.m. Nigerian time. Now, looking at all of this time, what time is suitable for you? Looking at your schedules. When you look at your schedules, you look at your trading style, maybe you could be a scalper. Yeah, you could be a scalper. There's someone that scalp, just go for 5, 10, 20 pips, 5, 10, 20 pips each time. Now I'm going to take scalping on another video that you can trade and scalp the market. Scalping is just going, make little profit and you're out of the market, make little profit, 10, 20 pips, you're out of the market, 10, 20 pips, you're out of the market, 10, 15 pips, you're out of the market, 5, 10 pips, you're out of the market. You just scalp and you get out of the market. Now these are scalper. This is scalping strategy. So of all of this, there's none I've not done, and there's none I'm not doing till date. I do all of these trading styles till date. I still do them. It depends on what I'm looking for. It depends on how I want to do my trade. I have that. I have trade I've been running for the past, let me see, almost 10 weeks now running, and it's still on. So You need to know all of this. So when you know all of this, you look at your schedules, you look at your type of trader that you are, then you look at the different sessions. When you look at the different sessions, with this, you'll be able to determine the best time to trade. So once you look at this, you're good to go. So looking at all of this, what time do you think you can trade? So the saying what is the best time to trade does not really hold water for everybody. There's no best time. You decide your best time, actually. You decide your best time. When you decide your best time, looking at your own schedules and your trading style, and you look at the market sessions, it's all up to you. There are times that I trade only in the night. There are times I trade in the morning. There are times I trade in the afternoon. There are times I just follow the news. I follow my indicator. It's all up to you. It's all up to you. There's no best time. You can make money anytime in the Forex market. The only thing is that, yes, in the market, the market seems to be quieter, especially the USD paired currency, kind of quieter in Nigerian time. The USD kind looks quieter when it's not paired with the yen, with the yen. So it is quieter. It doesn't move fast. There's less activity. So that's the beauty of it. So most people use that time to trade because the market doesn't move fast like in the afternoon, in the daytime. So look at this, look at all of this, watch this video again, and look at your best, look at your own trading style, look at your own schedules, and look at the sessions, the 3 different sessions, and decide the best time for you. Don't forget, you can trade in the morning and make money. Trade in the afternoon and make money. Trade in the night and make money, because there are different markets open at different time, different session, and you make money beautiful. You just know what to trade and know how to trade. The market is open for you Monday through Friday, and you can trade and make cool money for yourself. I believe you enjoyed the training today. Don't forget to like this video. And also, if you're first time you're coming to this YouTube channel, click the subscribe button and also the notification bell so that whenever I'm live, you will get notified so you can join us without wasting any time. I still remain Charles Marcel, the host of the Daily Online Seminar. I appreciate you for hanging out with me. I'll see you in my next video.